Okay, I got my little sponge, foam thingamajigger. I got glue, recommended for this situation. Should have put plastic on it. Take your little applicator, gently put it around the edges. Now they want you to leave it sit till it gets tacky. This is kind of a pain, but it's a good way to save a expensive speaker for $5. Try to keep it off where you don't want it. Kind of leaves you a little line to where you want to have it not go past. I'm just going to pour some on the plastic, probably easier. Then it says to apply it to the sponge as well, or the foam, sponge foam. Make sure you spread it evenly. Now these are Infinity speakers, and when I looked them up to try to buy it, just the little sub for the whole speaker, they're like $40. So saving a set of $80 speakers for $7.90 is a good idea. I bought them for $5, so cleaned them all up. Nice and smooth. Make sure everything has glue on them. Now you set it in place. Press down. Now this is the fun part. You have to pull back this, if you can see that, and you got to do both sides at the same time. And the whole time you're doing this, you want to make sure you don't get the glue on the top. Not that it'll ruin it, it just makes it look ugly. Which I just did right there. And normally by the time you get around the whole speaker, it should be tacky enough to press down. And there you have it, an otherwise unusable speaker has a new foam on it. Make sure everything's down good. I don't know exactly what kind of adhesive this is, because they always come with a package. When you buy them. Oh, and make sure when you order them, you order 2. Because when I ordered this package, it said set, and it only came with 1 foam. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, bitch if you don't think I know what I'm doing. And have a good day.